when you plan on traveling to any country or go on a vacation, you need to make sure most of your bases are covered. Be honest with yourself. Make sure you have your ticket in line for your flight. Go through a decent car rental company. Budget is really good. One of the things I want you to be aware of is the agreement that you're going to have in your car when you're driving around. One of the things I did on my last trip out of town was I took photos. I took photos of all around the car, even though I couldn't see it because it was like 12 o'clock at night, and you got these super bright LED lights that almost reflect makes the car so shiny that you can't see all the imperfections in the car from the previous drive that someone else had, and it's not your fault. That's why you want to document it. And luckily, I woke up the next morning, I went out to the car, I saw that there were scratches on the car. Then I looked at the car in front of me, I'm like, wait, I didn't cause these scratches. And I called the police. I'm like, man, I didn't, cause the damage to this car. I know I didn't. And we looked at the height of the scratches and all that. We tried to compare them. Then I looked at the photos from the previous night that I took. Then I could see that there were scratches on that. So we logically deducted that it wasn't the car that was parked in front of me. It didn't happen from when I got there. Parked the car there last night and woke up in the morning to discover that there were scratches. So I call Budget, their claims department, and say, hey, there's some damage to this car, and I got photos from last night. And I called the police to make a police report to verify that I'm right, And they never charged me for the damage to the car because it wasn't my fault. And I can prove it with the photos. So if we had to go to court, I could prove it. Always cover your bases. When you travel anywhere, get the traveler's insurance, get any kind of insurance that will help you stay safe. For flight insurance to the car insurance, anything they offer you, take, because that insurance is priceless and it's worth the value because it gives you peace of mind. You can go and enjoy your vacation. Make sure you document where you go. Like I am creating a vlog of my trip to DC in Virginia area. I'm going to post that in probably a section called Travel Time. I'm going to start doing that. When I go on trips, okay, I'm visiting friends and family, but there's sites that I went to see, and I find it all fascinating. It's history. Something happened at a point in time where someone in my past, someone before I lived, wanted me to know about it. Someone created a monument so large, Washington Memorial, obelisk, Lincoln Memorial. You got all these memorials that people want us to know about. There was a time in history that something happened that we need to pay our respect. Video keeps on cutting out on this. Using a Canon camera to record some of the video. I'm trying that. It's something new. So Travel Time is going to be the new section that I call it. Sorry for the cutout, but we're going to deal with it the best we can for now. So memorials, something happened in time and they want us to pay our respect. In closing with this video, give it the big thumbs up. Keep your tickets, document where you go, cover your bases with the insurance. Those are some advices I give you in this video as you travel with your friends, family, going places, visiting friends or family, or even just traveling for fun because something happened in history and they created a memorial somewhere, and let's go check it out. Thanks again, and I'm not going to do the rest though I normally do, so have a great time. just dealt with a customer that thought this much rain is too much rain for me to be out mowing today. Okay, let me show you some of it. If you look at all the going-ons around here, it's drying up over there on the sidewalk, out there on the blacktop along the edge there. It's drying up on the edge, along the edge here. Concrete, anywhere there's concrete along the edge, it's sprinkling right now. This particular customer thought I needed not to be mowing their yard. I blew some grass up towards the driveway versus out in the street because I wasn't going to be able to blow it back into the grass due to the drainage system they have along the edge of the road in the gutter.